Somebody say, I'm looking for a restoration. Come on, restoration is coming. Restoration is coming. It's this moment where the prophet Joel, speaking on behalf of God, he calls the elders and all the inhabitants to attention, urging them to remember this calamity. He said, you got to remember this and pass this story along. You know what? We got to remember what happened when COVID happened, because we got to remember it, because the next time something shows up, it's going to be far worse than what COVID was. And if we live in fear of COVID, God is saying to us today, you better get ready, because what might be coming may be far worse than COVID. And if you knocked down, if you got knocked down, if you got locked down, if you got in fear over COVID, you better get ready, and you better get your heart and your mind made up where you serve and who is in charge of your life and who is ruling over you. You better get ready, because there's a greater day coming, and it's called the day of the Lord.